Today we will review the export and import functions Smart Reporting offers for sharing content between instances. We can share reports, dashboards, storyboards, views, and folders. However, it's important to understand the content dependencies before doing so. For example, a report is dependent on a view, and the view on a data source. Therefore, for the report to work in an instance, it relies on that view and data source to be present in that instance. Let's go in with an admin user and go to the administration menu. Here, we'll see the import and export options. First, let's try export something. Here, we see a search box where we are able to search for the item we want exported. We can drag it and drop it in the table, details appear. We can save the file by clicking export, naming it, and export again. The YFX exported file is actually a file container rather than a true file that contains data. This means that it can be opened or extracted by tools like WinRAR or 7-zip. Inside, we see an XML file which can be used as an import file for Smart Reporting 1808 and older versions. This 1902 instance can import both YFX and XML files. The module recognizes the 5 imported items. We can ignore the warning and do a full import, or do a restore and only import missing dependencies, or do a custom import and select them one by one. Once in the selecting menu, we can choose if we want to replace or add new content. However, we already have the report in this instance, so let's finish the process in an older instance. For that, we will need the previously contained XML file. It's important to remember that we are importing to an older version. I made sure this report doesn't contain fields or functions added in newer versions. Normally, we don't want to import the data source as we can only have one, so we need to make sure the view is compatible. I don't have this copy of the incident management view, but it is an out-of-the-box view, which is less likely to be incompatible. I don't want the folders as I already have them. So we check the summary and successfully import the report.